Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the applications of PHP programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers and viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded videos. So let's begin guys. Applications of PHP programming language. PHP or Hypertext Preprocessor is a widely used server-side scripting language designed for web development. It is known for its simplicity, versatility, and strong community support. PHP is primarily used for creating dynamic web pages and web applications. Here are some of the key applications of PHP. Number 1. Web development. PHP is most commonly used for building websites and web applications. It can generate dynamic web pages, handle form submissions, and interact with databases, making it an ideal choice for creating interactive and data-driven websites. We have also here number 2, Content Management Systems or CMS. PHP is used to develop popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. These systems allows users to create, manage, and customize their websites without extensive coding knowledge. Number 3, e-commerce websites. PHP is often used in the development of e-commerce platforms like Magento, WooCommerce, and OpenCart, allowing businesses to set up online stores with features like product catalogs, shopping carts, and payment processing. Number 4, social networking sites. PHP has been used to build various social networking platforms like Facebook initially and LinkedIn. It is well suited for developing user registration, profiles, messaging systems, and active feeds. Number 5, web application frameworks. PHP frameworks like Laravel, Symfony, and CodeIgniter simplify web application development by providing reusable code libraries, structure, and best practices. These frameworks make it easier to create complex web applications efficiently. Number 6, blogging platforms. PHP powers popular blogging platforms such as WordPress. It allows bloggers to create, manage, and publish content, and it supports plugins and themes for customization. We have here number 7, forums and discussion boards. PHP can be used to create online forums and discussion boards like PHP BB and VIP Bulletin to facilitate online discussions and user interaction. Number 8, customer relationship management or CRM systems. PHP is used to develop CRM software that helps businesses manage customer interactions, sales leads, and marketing efforts effectively. Number 9, e-learning and learning management systems or LMS. PHP is used in creating online learning platforms and LMS applications such as Moodle and Tara, which provides e-learning solutions and provide management in course management. Number 10, data analysis and visualization. PHP can be used in conjunction with libraries like Chart.js and D3.js to create interactive data visualizations and dashboards for data analysis. Number 11, API or Application Programming Interface Development. PHP can be used to create web APIs for integrating web applications with other services, allowing data exchange and communication between different platforms. Number 12, real-time applications. While not as common as other technologies, PHP can be used to create real-time applications like chat applications and real-time notifications using technologies like WebSockets and frameworks like Ratchet. Number 13, image processing and manipulation. PHP GD and ImageMagick libraries enable developers to work with images, making it suitable for image manipulation, resizing, and watermarking. Number 14, command line scripting. PHP can be used for command line scripting, making it useful for automating tasks and performing server-side operations. Number 15, web security. PHP offers various security features and libraries for secure development, such as input validation, authentication, and encryption functions. PHP versatility and ease of use make it a popular choice for a wide range of web development projects. However, it's essential to use it responsibly and securely to prevent common security vulnerabilities. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the applications of PHP programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.